Hi, my name is Nahanni Nagle. I'm the Managing Director of Lincoln Electric, and I'm based in Singapore.
Can you tell us about the products that we're going to launch here in the Philippines?
Sure. So Lincoln Electric is a global manufacturer of welding products, so equipment and consumables used for welding. But it's more than just welding equipment and consumables. We offer a full suite of automation products, cutting products, accessories, really everything that you could imagine related to welding and cutting of steel.
So with your products, sir, who are your target or the primary target market of Lincoln Electric?
The target market for us is really anybody fabricating steel assemblies. So that could be a small fabrication shop here in Manila, or that could be a large shipyard, that could be a oil and gas rig fabricator, that could be an automotive company, that could be a company producing motorcycles. So really anybody assembling steel structures. Here in the Philippines, we expect there's an infrastructure and construction investment cycle going along. So we would expect that infrastructure and construction is an important space for us. And then also energy going forward here in the Philippines looks quite important, I would say.
So sir, we did a program a while ago. So can you describe the partnership of Lincoln Electric and CBK?
Sure. So CBK is a new partner for us in the Philippines. We're very excited. They bring it's a long-established, very deep organization here in the Philippines. So they'll really help us bring those products into the Philippines market. So they have connections and relationships with a lot of these end users, these customers who need the products. And so we'll work with them to bring these products and solutions to all of these end users in the Philippines.
So sir, what are you expecting with your products? Philippine market, what are you expecting?
We're expecting a lot of interaction with customers. We're expecting a lot of customers to challenge us with problems. So we view ourselves as more than just selling a product. We want to go in and help customers improve their businesses. And so we're expecting customers to say, hey, we like your machine, but we want to understand how this solution helps our business. And so we will work with CBK to interact with those end users to really improve their businesses. That's what we expect.